Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find which database your WordPress site is using. This information may be useful if you wish to access the database using a tool such as phpMyAdmin. To get the database information, we need to access the files on the account and open the WordPress wp-config.php file, which holds the database information. To get started, go to your cPanel by clicking the cPanel link in your submenu. Now scroll to the File Management section and choose File Manager. You can go to your web route, which will take you to your public HTML, or you can choose the document route for the website that you have WordPress installed on. This will bring you to your file manager, and you need to find the correct directory where you have WordPress installed. I have a few WordPress installations, so I'm going to find the correct one and open it up. Now this is showing me all of my WordPress files, and you need to locate the wp-config.php file. When you do, select it and choose Code Editor. This will load up your file and show you the content of it. You are looking for the line that says Define. There's a section right here that shows you all of your database information, starting at about line 18 or 19. Here we have the database name, as well as the username, password, and host information, which is all important. And there you go. You can access your database using your database tools on the cPanel, such as phpMyAdmin.